Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be creating a backdrop in the shade or theme grey. So as you all know that Navratri is approaching and the color theme for day 3 for Navratri is grey color. For the first layer of background, you'll be needing a fresh satin saree of grey color. For the tabletop here, I am using a golden cloth, or you can use any shimmery cloth which is in contrast with grey. For the center, take any shiny cloth which is in contrast with grey. Use bed table as a CHOWKI in the center. Here I have used a color combination of peacock blue, grey, golden, white and pink. Now I will be further covering the CHOWKI with a peacock blue patterned cloth. For the garlands, here I am using white and baby pink floral garlands. Keep an asan or CHOWKI in a smaller size in the center. Now hang the mogra garlands on the either sides. Keep PITAL DIYAS on the either sides of our small CHOWKI. Then use some warm LED lights or circuit. In 3, 2, 1, here's the look after lighting up the warm lights. I hope you like this royal backdrop. You can use this backdrop on Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi or any kind of puja. Thank you so much for watching the video so patiently. Have a nice day.